Hello, dear learners. Today we are on the fifth lecture of topic Atoms and Molecules for ninth class. So today in this lecture we will be discussing about the chemical formulas, how to write the chemical formulas of the particular compounds along with the different examples. So let us start today's lecture. Before starting today's lecture, one thing I'll be clarifying you. Previously I have also told that all these notes are also available in the description box of this channel, so you can go to the description box for your notes anytime. So if your channel will be subscribed, then you will get all the notifications time to time. So let us start with the formula, that is chemical formula. What is chemical formula? Chemical formula of a compound is symbolic representation of its composition. How they are going to represent in the form of their symbols. How the composition is containing the different symbols of the different elements, that is going to give you the formula, that is chemical formula. Or we can also say this is actually the shorthand representation of a particular compound, but this is definitely standardized everywhere. We cannot say the formula of water in India is H2O and in America it is H3O. Please don't get it confused. Formula will be universally accepted, it will be same throughout, and we have discussed in the previous lecture also the branch which is dealing with all these things, that is IUPAC. Fine. So like examples for chemical formula I have given: water, ammonia, carbon dioxide, HCl, etc. Next, valency. I told in the previous lecture to learn the valency table. Fine. I will not be discussing how to calculate valency, how you can calculate it, because this thing I'll be discussing in the next chapter. At this level you should be knowing combining capacity of an element, how the elements they are going to combine with the particular number, that is its valency. Examples I have quoted: valency of hydrogen is 1, chlorine it is 7, magnesium it is 2, sodium it is 1. How to calculate? This will be discussing in the next chapter. In this chapter you are going to learn this valency table. Okay. So one thing you make clear, that elements from atomic number 1 to atomic number 20, these elements along with the symbol and their valencies, they should be learned by you people. So it's better to learn now itself, because these things are going to help you in this chapter also, in next chapter also, and even for higher classes also you will be using all these elements from atomic number 1 to atomic number 20. So it's my humble request, whenever you are getting time, please learn these tables along with the polyatomic ions thoroughly. Definitely atomic masses are also supposed to be learned. Some main atomic masses are supposed to be learned, which were given in the table. Rest they will be providing you. Fine. So let us start how to write the formulas of the different compounds. Now what is given? Sodium oxide. So how we have to write down the formula? Sodium, symbol for sodium is Na. Firstly we should be knowing what is the symbol. Fine. Oxide, that is oxygen, symbol for oxygen is O. Now in the next step we have to write its valency. Sodium valency is 1, and that also plus 1. At your level I have told earlier also, first one will be positively charged, second one will be negatively charged, and for oxygen it is 2 negative. Crisscross this way. Sodium, with sodium what will come? Sodium Na2. We are going to write at the bottom side, not at the upper side. Na2. Oxygen के साथ 1. So what will be our formula? There is no need to write 1. Na2O. Not only one example, many examples I am going to quote. So don't get confused कि मैम मेरे को समझ नहीं आया. See, aluminium. Aluminium is Al. Symbol for aluminium is Al. Chlorine, Cl. Valency for aluminium is 3 positive and for chlorine is 1 negative. Cross. Fine. Al, it is 1. It's your wish. लिखना लिखो, नहीं लिखना ना मत लिखो. 1 is not mandatory to write. If it is not written, it is taken as granted. It is 1. And Cl3. So what will be your formula? AlCl3. I hope it is okay to you. Next, number 3. Sodium. Sodium is Na. Valency for sodium is +1. Sulfide. Please take care. Sulfide. Its valency symbol is S. If you have learnt. If you have not learned, please learn it. Symbol is S. Valency is 2 negative. What will be your formula? So I am not writing 1 here now. Na2. Na2. S1. So this is your formula. Fine. Next. Magnesium hydroxide. Please see. Magnesium. Valency of magnesium is Mg2 positive. Hydroxide OH. And what is its valency? 1 negative. How to write? See. Mg1. Mg. 1 I am not writing OH because OH is in the combined form, means they are together. So I am writing bracket. Bracket ke bahar. This is 2. So MgOH twice. I hope it is okay to you. Fine. Next, hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen H. 1 positive. Okay. Then chlorine Cl. 1 negative. Crisscross. What will be your formula? H1 Cl1. 1 will cancel. What will be your formula? HCl. So one thing from here you are getting, that if the valencies of both the elements are same, then they are going to be crossed. So make sure, don't get confused that why it has been crossed by ma'am. Fine. Next is C. Magnesium chloride. What is magnesium chloride here? Just see. Magnesium is Mg. Chloride Cl. Magnesium is 2 positive. Chlorine is 1 negative. So what will be our formula? Mg crisscross. Mg1 Cl2 Cl2. So MgCl2. Fine. Next, calcium. Ca. Oxygen. O. Valency of calcium is 2 positive. Valency of oxygen is 2 negative. Crisscross. Then Ca2 O2. Valencies are same. So we are going to cross them. What will be our formula? CaO. I hope by taking all these examples, the idea is getting clear by you people. Then copper nitrate. Copper. Symbol for copper is Cu. Copper. Fine. Valency we are going to take 2 positive. Nitrate. NO3. And it is 1 negative. Again I am reminding you, these valencies should be learnt by you. What will be your formula? Just see. Cu, as NO3 is coming this way, we are going to write in the bracket form. NO3, 3 is inside, bracket close. What is outside? It is 2. CuNO3. Fine. Next, calcium carbonate. So let us see. Calcium Ca. Okay. Carbonate CO3. Valency of calcium is 2 positive. Valency of carbonate is 2 negative. Crisscross. What will be our formula? Ca2 bracket CO3, 2 outside, 2 will cancel. What will be our formula? CaCO3. That's all. I think many number of examples we have discussed and you have understood also. So just practice them a lot, then the idea will be more clear. Thank you. Stay blessed.